Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with Infant Toddler Youth, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to install the Baby Jogger City Go 2 base with the lap and shoulder belt. You always want to read your owner's manual, so that way you know exactly how your car seat works and how to make all the proper adjustments. Before you install the car seat, make sure that you're parked on a flat surface, so that way you can get an accurate installation. Let's jump right in. Now for the Baby Jogger City Go 2, there are two rules we have to follow to make sure the installation is complete. And we're going to work on the first rule, which is making sure the baby is sitting at the right angle. There is a bubble indicator on both sides of the car seat, and there's two ranges. If the child is under 20 pounds, the bubble has to be within the shorter blue range. When the child is over 20 pounds, it's allowed to be within the longer blue range. And that just allows the child to sit more upright because they will have head and neck support at that point. The reason why you want to do the angle first is when you tighten the seatbelt, the position of the bubble may change, and then you're going to have to redo it again. So what you can do is you can apply weight to the front of the base here and see where the bubble is going to end up. Because we're setting this up for a newborn, we have to make sure the bubble stays within the smaller blue range. Right on the front of the car seat, there is a little trigger. If you squeeze that button, the different recline positions are accessible. And we just need to adjust it until we get the bubble in the right range for newborn. Now that our angle is set, we can move on to rule number 2, which is to secure the car seat properly. The car seat has a lock-off device right inside the base here. There's a gray tab that says pull. We need to pull it back. That's going to unlock it. And now we have our belt path clear. Grab your lap and shoulder belt. You're going to do lap belt first. It's going to go underneath the blue tabs. There's one on each side of the chair. I'm going to buckle it in. Now I'm going to tighten it. I'm going to grab the shoulder belt. I'm going to push down on the car seat. And I'm going to make it nice and snug. There's no need to use excessive force. Whenever I feel like it's tight enough, I'm going to make sure that the shoulder belt now goes under the blue tabs here. And finally, we're going to close the lock-off device on top of the lap and shoulder belt. Make sure both seat belts are going underneath here. And the way to know this is tight is with one hand. You can use either hand. You're going to grab the base from either side of the car seat. And all you're looking for is an inch of movement. If the car seat does slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, you got to open it up and tighten the seatbelt some more. But if the car seat base is not moving more than an inch in either direction, then you know it's tight enough. And you need to remember that installations are not permanent. So once a month, you need to do that inch test. And if it does happen to loosen up, then you go ahead and retighten it. But now that both of our rules are being followed, the car seat installation is complete. When you're ready to get the car seat out, you're going to unbuckle the seatbelt, open the lock-off device, and now you can get your base out. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.